Part 1. Introduction to AI and Privacy. In a world dominated by artificial intelligence, the question of privacy becomes more critical than ever. How much of your personal data is out there? And how is AI using it? In this video, we're going deep into the heart of AI and privacy, unveiling the hidden mechanics, challenges, and solutions for safeguarding your data in an AI-driven era. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, from the way we shop to how we interact with technology. But this transformation comes at a cost: our data. AI systems are fueled by vast amounts of personal information, raising urgent questions about how this data is collected, used, and protected. Today, we'll explore the intricate relationship between AI and privacy, unpack the challenges, and discover potential solutions that can balance innovation with security. What is AI and how does it relate to privacy? Artificial intelligence is a technology that mimics human intelligence to perform tasks like decision-making, pattern recognition, and problem-solving. It relies on data, lots of it, to learn and improve. But this reliance on data has far-reaching implications for privacy. Every click, swipe, and voice command becomes a piece of information that AI systems analyze. While this improves user experience, it also exposes us to potential misuse and data breaches. The data behind AI. Types of data collected. AI collects various types of data: personal information, names, addresses, and contact details. Behavioral data. Browsing habits, search queries, and purchase history. Biometric data. Fingerprints, facial recognition, and voice patterns. Sensitive data. Health records, financial information, and more. This data powers AI's ability to predict and personalize, but it also creates risks if mishandled. How AI uses data. AI systems use data for a variety of purposes: personalization, tailoring experiences like shopping recommendations; pattern recognition, identifying trends in user behavior; predictive analytics, anticipating user needs or detecting fraud. But the same data that enhances AI's capabilities can also be exploited for unethical purposes, making privacy protection essential. Key privacy challenges in AI. Lack of transparency. AI systems often operate as black boxes, meaning users don't fully understand how their data is collected, processed, or used. This lack of transparency erodes trust and raises questions about accountability. Consent and ownership. Do you know what you're agreeing to when you accept those terms and conditions? AI often collects data without explicit user consent, creating a gray area about who owns the data and how it should be used. Data breaches and cybersecurity threats. AI systems store and process vast amounts of data, making them prime targets for cyber attacks. A single breach can compromise millions of records, leading to identity theft and financial losses. Bias in AI models. Bias in AI stems from the data it's trained on. If the data is biased, the outcomes will be too, leading to unfair treatment in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. This not only violates ethical standards, but also raises privacy concerns. Real-world examples of privacy issues in AI facial recognition and surveillance. Facial recognition technology is widely used for security, but it also enables mass surveillance. Governments and corporations can track individuals without their knowledge, raising concerns about privacy and civil liberties. Social media and data mining. Social media platforms use AI to mine user data for targeted advertising. While this improves ad relevance, it also creates a sense of being constantly monitored. Healthcare data. AI in healthcare has enormous potential, but it also involves sharing sensitive medical data. Without proper safeguards, this data can be misused or exposed, compromising patient confidentiality. The ethical dilemma of AI and privacy. AI raises profound ethical questions. Should companies prioritize innovation over privacy? Who is responsible when AI systems misuse data? How do we ensure fairness and accountability in AI decisions? These dilemmas highlight the need for ethical frameworks to guide AI development and deployment. Technologies that address privacy in AI federated learning. Federated learning allows AI systems to train on data locally without transferring it to central servers. This preserves user privacy while enabling AI to improve its capabilities. Differential privacy. Differential privacy adds mathematical noise to datasets, ensuring individual identities remain anonymous. This technique is increasingly being adopted by organizations to protect user data. Blockchain for data security. Blockchain technology can enhance data security by decentralizing storage and using cryptographic techniques to protect information from unauthorized access. Part 2. Privacy laws, regulations, and frameworks. The role of privacy laws in AI development. As AI continues to evolve, the legal landscape must adapt to address privacy concerns. Regulations play a crucial role in ensuring that data collection, usage, and storage by AI systems are ethical, secure, and transparent. Let's explore some of the most influential privacy laws shaping AI today. General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The GDPR is one of the most comprehensive privacy laws globally, setting strict standards for how personal data is handled. Key principles include data minimization. AI systems should only collect the data they need to perform their functions. Explicit consent. Users must provide informed and voluntary consent before their data is collected. The right to be forgotten. Individuals can request that their data be deleted if it's no longer needed or was collected unlawfully. For AI, compliance with GDPR means designing systems that prioritize user privacy from the outset. California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. Similar to GDPR, the CCPA focuses on empowering consumers. It grants California residents the right to know what personal data is being collected, the right to request deletion of their data, the right to opt out of data being sold. AI developers operating in California must ensure transparency and respect these consumer rights. Global privacy laws and their impact on AI. Beyond GDPR and CCPA, countries like Canada, India, and Brazil have implemented their own privacy laws. These regulations require AI systems to adhere to regional data protection standards, adding complexity for global companies but also promoting better privacy practices worldwide. Industry-specific privacy regulations. Healthcare, HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. In healthcare, the HIPAA law in the United States regulates the privacy and security of medical records. AI applications in healthcare must comply with HIPAA to ensure patient data remains confidential and secure. Finance, GDPR and PSD2, Payment Services Directive 2. AI in finance is governed by GDPR and PSD2 in Europe. These regulations emphasize protecting sensitive financial information and promoting secure digital transactions. Education, FERPA, Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. In education, FERPA in the United States ensures that AI tools used in schools protect student records and prevent unauthorized access to personal information. The role of ethical AI frameworks. While laws provide the foundation, ethical AI frameworks guide developers in creating systems that respect user privacy and avoid harm. Organizations like UNESCO, IEEE, and private companies have introduced ethical guidelines emphasizing transparency, explaining how AI systems make decisions. Accountability, holding developers and organizations responsible for misuse. Fairness, ensuring AI systems do not discriminate or perpetuate bias. Ethical frameworks are essential for bridging gaps where legal protections fall short. The challenges of compliance for AI systems. Complexity of multi-regional laws. Global companies face the daunting task of complying with multiple privacy laws across different regions. This complexity often requires significant investments in legal teams and localized system designs. The cost of compliance. Ensuring compliance with laws like GDPR or CCPA can be expensive, particularly for smaller businesses. However, failing to comply can result in hefty fines and reputational damage. Evolving regulations. Privacy laws are constantly evolving, requiring AI developers to stay updated and agile. Systems must be designed with flexibility to adapt to future legal requirements. AI and privacy, a case study of regulatory impact. Example 1. Facebook and Cambridge Analytica scandal. The Cambridge Analytica scandal highlighted how AI-powered tools can misuse data, influencing elections and violating user privacy. The backlash led to tighter regulations and increased public awareness about data protection. Example 2. Clearview AI and facial recognition controversy. Clearview AI's facial recognition technology sparked global outrage for scraping billions of images without consent. Several countries imposed bans or regulations, forcing the company to limit its operations. Emerging trends in AI and privacy regulations, AI-specific laws. Several countries are drafting laws specifically tailored for AI. These include provisions for algorithmic transparency, ethical guidelines, and restrictions on certain high-risk applications like autonomous weapons or invasive surveillance. Global data protection standards. There's growing momentum toward creating global data protection standards. Such frameworks would simplify compliance for AI developers and ensure consistent protections for users worldwide. Public-private partnerships. Collaboration between governments and private companies is crucial for addressing AI privacy challenges. By working together, they can develop innovative solutions that balance technological advancements with user rights. The role of public awareness in shaping privacy laws. Public pressure plays a significant role in driving regulatory change. Awareness campaigns and advocacy efforts have brought privacy concerns into the spotlight, forcing governments and companies to take action. The future of privacy laws in an AI-driven world. As AI becomes more integral to our lives, privacy laws must evolve to keep pace. Future regulations will likely include real-time monitoring, automated systems ensuring compliance, dynamic consent mechanisms, allowing users to adjust privacy settings on the fly, stronger penalties for non-compliance to deter misuse and build trust. The journey to robust AI privacy protections has only just begun. Part 3. AI's impact on industries and tailored privacy solutions. Introduction to industry-specific AI and privacy concerns. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, but this transformation brings unique privacy challenges in each sector. From protecting sensitive patient records in healthcare to preventing fraud in finance, let's explore how AI impacts different industries and the tailored privacy solutions addressing these challenges. Healthcare. Balancing innovation and confidentiality. AI applications in healthcare. In healthcare, AI revolutionizes diagnostics, treatment planning, and drug discovery. Tools like predictive analytics and AI-driven imaging systems improve patient outcomes while reducing costs. But these advancements rely on access to highly sensitive data, including medical histories and genetic information. Privacy concerns in healthcare AI. Healthcare data is one of the most valuable targets for cybercriminals. A single breach can expose millions of patient records, violating privacy and leading to identity theft. Additionally, sharing data across systems raises concerns about unauthorized access and misuse. Privacy solutions for healthcare encryption and anonymization. Encrypting and anonymizing data ensures patient information remains secure and untraceable to individuals, even if intercepted. Federated learning. Federated learning allows hospitals to collaboratively train AI models without transferring sensitive patient data, preserving privacy while enabling innovation. HIPAA compliance. Ensuring compliance with laws like HIPAA guarantees that patient privacy is a top priority in AI implementation. Finance. Protecting sensitive information. AI applications in finance. AI is a game changer in finance, powering fraud detection, credit scoring, and personalized investment advice. By analyzing transaction patterns and customer behavior, AI enhances security and efficiency in financial systems. Privacy concerns in finance. Financial institutions handle enormous amounts of sensitive data, from account numbers to transaction histories. Breaches not only compromise personal information but can also destabilize financial systems. Privacy solutions for finance. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only authorized users access sensitive financial information. Real-time fraud monitoring. AI-driven fraud monitoring systems detect and respond to threats instantly, protecting user data and preventing financial losses. Data tokenization. Tokenization replaces sensitive information with unique identifiers, minimizing the risk of exposure during transactions. Retail. Personalized experiences versus privacy concerns. AI applications in retail. Retailers leverage AI to personalize shopping experiences, manage inventory, and optimize pricing. By analyzing customer data, AI creates targeted marketing campaigns and improves customer satisfaction. Privacy concerns in retail AI. While personalization enhances convenience, it often feels intrusive. Retail AI systems track every click, purchase, and even location, creating privacy concerns around data collection and storage. Privacy solutions for retail. Opt-out mechanisms. Providing clear opt-out options for tracking and personalized ads gives consumers control over their data. Data minimization practices. Retailers can adopt data minimization, collecting only essential information to deliver services, reducing privacy risks. Transparent privacy policies. Transparent privacy policies help build trust, ensuring customers know how their data is being used. Law enforcement, surveillance, and privacy trade-offs. AI applications in law enforcement. AI aids law enforcement by analyzing surveillance footage, predicting crime hotspots, and identifying suspects using facial recognition. These tools enhance public safety and streamline investigations. Privacy concerns in law enforcement AI. While AI improves law enforcement efficiency, it also raises concerns about overreach and potential misuse. Mass surveillance and biased algorithms can lead to privacy violations and discrimination. Privacy solutions for law enforcement. Regulated use of facial recognition. Implementing strict regulations ensures facial recognition is used responsibly and only in situations that warrant it. Bias audits. Regular audits can identify and mitigate biases in law enforcement AI, ensuring fairness and accountability. Transparency and oversight. Transparency and independent oversight are critical for building trust in AI-powered law enforcement tools. Education. AI-powered learning and student privacy. AI applications in education. AI enhances learning by personalizing educational content, monitoring student performance, and automating administrative tasks. It's transforming classrooms into adaptive, data-driven environments. Privacy concerns in education. AI in education collects data on students' learning patterns, behaviors, and even emotions. Without proper safeguards, this data can be misused or exposed, compromising student privacy. Privacy solutions for education. Parental consent systems. Parental consent systems ensure that data collection complies with legal and ethical standards protecting minors. Secure data storage. Educational institutions must prioritize secure storage solutions to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive student information. Ethical AI design. Ethical AI design focuses on transparency, fairness, and minimizing data collection in educational systems. Emerging trends in industry-specific privacy solutions. AI-driven privacy enhancements. AI itself is being used to enhance privacy with tools that detect and address vulnerabilities before they're exploited. Sector-specific privacy certifications. Privacy certifications tailored to specific industries help organizations demonstrate their commitment to protecting user data. Public awareness campaigns. Awareness campaigns empower individuals to take control of their data, reducing risks and promoting responsible AI usage. Part 4. Emerging AI Technologies and Privacy Innovations. Introduction to Emerging AI Technologies. As AI continues to evolve, groundbreaking technologies are emerging that promise to reshape our world. But with innovation comes complexity, especially in how these technologies handle privacy. In this section, we'll explore cutting-edge AI advancements and the privacy challenges and solutions they bring. Generative AI and privacy risks. What is generative AI? Generative AI, like OpenAI's GPT models and image generators, creates text, images, audio, and video content based on user inputs. Its potential spans industries from creative arts to marketing and education. Privacy concerns. In generative AI deepfakes and identity theft, deepfake technology powered by generative AI can recreate a person's likeness or voice, leading to identity theft, fraud, and reputational damage. Training data privacy. Generative AI often trains on publicly available data, which may include copyrighted or personal information. This raises questions about consent and intellectual property rights. Privacy solutions for generative AI watermarking and detection tools. Watermarking tools embed identifiable markers into AI-generated content, while detection systems help identify deepfakes and unauthorized creations. Consent-based training models. Consent-based training models ensure that only approved data is used, protecting both user privacy and intellectual property. AI-powered IoT devices, privacy in smart homes. Privacy risks in IoT devices always on. Listening. Many smart devices are always listening to capture commands, but this can lead to unauthorized recordings and data leaks. Unauthorized data sharing. Smart devices often share user data with third parties, raising concerns about how this information is used and stored. Privacy innovations for IoT edge computing. Edge computing processes data locally on the device itself, minimizing the need to transmit sensitive information to remote servers. User-friendly privacy dashboards. Privacy dashboards give users control over what data their devices collect and share, enhancing transparency and security. Encryption protocols. Strong encryption protocols protect data transmissions, preventing unauthorized access during communication. AI in autonomous systems, privacy and transportation privacy. Concerns in autonomous vehicles location tracking. Autonomous vehicles rely on GPS and sensors to navigate, but this detailed location data can be used to track individuals' movements. Passenger monitoring AI-powered vehicles often use interior monitoring systems for safety, but this raises concerns about how and where this data is stored. Privacy solutions for autonomous systems. Anonymized data collection. Anonymizing location and behavioral data ensures that individuals cannot be identified from the information collected. Encrypted communication. Encrypted communication channels protect real-time data from being intercepted or misused. Dynamic consent models. Dynamic consent models allow passengers to choose what data is collected, enhancing privacy while maintaining functionality. AI in public spaces. Surveillance and privacy balances. Privacy risks of public AI surveillance mass. Data collection. AI surveillance systems can collect vast amounts of data, raising concerns about consent and the potential for misuse. Bias in surveillance AI. Bias in surveillance AI can lead to unfair profiling, discrimination, and violations of civil liberties. Privacy innovations in surveillance AI. Regulated surveillance zones. Designating and regulating surveillance zones ensures that individuals are aware of and can avoid being monitored if desired. Ethical AI frameworks. Ethical frameworks guide the development and deployment of surveillance AI, ensuring that privacy and fairness are prioritized. Transparency reports. Regular transparency reports keep the public informed about how surveillance data is collected, stored, and utilized. AI in cloud computing, protecting shared resources. Massive data centers storing and processing user information through AI systems. Privacy risks in cloud AI data centralization. Cloud AI systems centralize vast amounts of data, making them attractive targets for hackers. Third-party access. Data stored in the cloud may be accessed by third parties, raising concerns about how it's shared and used. Privacy solutions for cloud AI zero-knowledge encryption. Zero-knowledge encryption ensures that only the user can decrypt their data, enhancing privacy in cloud environments. Decentralized cloud systems. Decentralized cloud systems reduce vulnerabilities by distributing data across multiple secure locations. Robust access controls. Access controls ensure that only authorized individuals or systems can interact with sensitive data stored in the cloud. Emerging privacy-centric AI innovations. Privacy-preserving machine learning, PPML. PPML enables AI to learn from data while keeping it encrypted, ensuring privacy throughout the training process. AI-driven privacy auditors. Privacy auditors use AI to evaluate data practices, ensuring compliance with regulations and ethical standards. Synthetic data generation. Synthetic data generation allows AI to train on realistic datasets without exposing real user information. Part 5. The road ahead for privacy in AI. We've explored how AI is reshaping industries, the privacy challenges it creates, and the innovative solutions addressing these concerns. But as we look to the future, the question remains: how can we ensure that artificial intelligence empowers society while safeguarding individual privacy? The balance between innovation and privacy. AI and privacy are not inherently at odds. Innovation thrives when trust exists, and trust comes from protecting user rights. By striking a balance, we can harness the full potential of AI while preserving the fundamental freedoms that define us as individuals. Key takeaways from the AI privacy landscape. The dual role of AI. AI is a double-edged sword. It has the power to solve humanity's greatest challenges, but it also poses risks to privacy if misused. A responsible approach to AI development is essential. The role of regulations and ethics. Privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA, combined with ethical AI frameworks, lay the foundation for protecting user data. However, these must evolve alongside AI's rapid advancements to stay effective. Industry-specific approaches. Every industry has unique privacy needs, and a one-size-fits-all approach won't work. Tailored solutions like anonymized healthcare data, encrypted financial systems, and regulated surveillance ensure that AI supports, not threatens, privacy. Empowering individuals. Ultimately, empowering individuals to control their data is critical. Transparent policies, user-friendly dashboards, and opt-in systems put privacy back in the hands of users. Global collaboration for a privacy-first future. Addressing privacy in AI requires a unified global effort. Governments, private companies, and individuals must collaborate to create universal standards and safeguards. Only through collective action can we ensure AI's benefits are accessible without compromising personal freedoms. The future of privacy-preserving AI, privacy-enhancing technologies. Technologies like federated learning and synthetic data are paving the way for privacy-preserving AI, allowing systems to function effectively without exposing sensitive information. Public awareness and advocacy. Awareness is the first step toward action. Educating the public about privacy risks and empowering them with tools and knowledge will ensure a safer digital future. The rise of ethical AI. As developers embrace ethical AI principles, we'll see a shift toward systems that prioritize privacy and fairness, building trust and enabling progress. The future of AI and privacy is in our hands. By staying informed, advocating for better protections, and supporting ethical innovations, we can shape a world where technology uplifts us without eroding our rights. Together, let's build a future where AI and privacy coexist in harmony. Artificial intelligence has the power to transform our world for the better, but only if we protect what matters most, our privacy. By balancing innovation with responsibility, we can unlock AI's potential without compromising our freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI. See you next time on AI Vault.